Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kat and this is my very first video. In this video, this is my hair before. It's quite long and it's time to cut it. The first thing I did was to section my hair into equal parts. So you can see I've got loads of falling hair. It's one of the reason why I wanted to cut my hair short, apart from being bored. After sectioning the hair into equal parts, tie them into pigtails. So I placed another hair tie under the first one just to hold the whole hair in place. At the same time, it would serve as a marker for me of where to cut and how long to cut. I did it on both sides. I made some few adjustments and I think I'm quite happy of where to cut. So I decided to put another hair tie under the second one just to hold the hair in place and it won't be that messy afterwards. So here goes nothing. Ah!
Follow white rabbit. I'm taking potions, call me Alice. Watch me grow taller. Yeah, rabbit's watches in his pocket. Yeah, he stays late, but he leads me so I follow. Wandering around in Wonderland, wondering how or if I'll ever get back. Wandering around in Wonderland, wondering how or if I'll ever get back.
Not quite bad, I believe. So it feels very uneven, especially at the back. So I decided to cut it. Not expert on cutting my hair, especially at the back, so I just have a feel on it to know which one's too long, which one's too short.
It's time for high tea. Madmen in hats and cats up in the trees, wandering around in Wonderland, wondering how or if I'll ever get back. Wandering around in Wonderland, wondering how or if I'll ever get back. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Wandering around in Wonderland, Wonderland, wondering how or if I'll ever get back, get back. Wandering around in Wonderland, I'm wondering, wondering how or if I'll ever get back. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Wonderland, Wonderland,
There you go. I think it works. I'm quite shocked of the result, but I'm happy. The technique works and I'm really satisfied. Thankful it didn't turn out to be an epic fail. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this DIY video. Hope to see you next time. Please do give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!